So we have third question from 5 questions a day challenge, and it is to solve this quadratic equation. So for this quadratic equation, what do we have? We have the last sign as positive. So it is like plus 6 what multiplies to give you plus 6 and adds to give you minus 5. Okay, so we all know when we have it as positive, that means both the brackets are going to be having same signs, correct? Same signs. Okay, because it's negative, so we are very sure that both are going to be negative, correct? Okay, so what two negative numbers multiply to give you 6 and add to give you minus 5? So that's very clear, minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, so just write 2 and 3 here, and that is what your answer is. A negative 3 and negative 2 add to give you minus 5 and multiply to give you 6. Just remember, as I said, this tells us whether they are going to be same or different. If it's positive, they are going to be same always. This tells us what sign it is. So if it's minus, they both are going to be minus. Hope this tip makes sense and helps you. See you soon. Take care.